Hey, let me show you how you can fix the connection problem with your Jabra Elite 8 active. So as you can see in my case, they couldn't connect to my smartphone. So I was trying to enter for the pairing mode manually, but it is not working always. So in my opinion, the best way is to put the left and the right earbud inside this case. Also remember to recharge this case for like 10 or 20 minutes. And then you have to just grab these sensors and click and hold them until this indicator right here, the small indicator, starts blinking pink. So keep holding and just wait for it. It will take around 10 seconds. There we go. Now we have to close this case for 5 seconds, and after this we will be able to reconnect into our device. Basically to pair them, not reconnect. Now after 5 seconds, just open the case and remove left and the right earbud from this charging case. In most cases you will also get this quick pairing notification, but if it doesn't appear, you can for sure remove this device from the list. Click for the scanning for the nearby devices, select your Jabra Elite 8 active, and now accept the pairing. So now if you want to get more features of these earbuds, you can for sure download the Jabra application from the Play Store or from the App Store if you are using iOS devices. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.